GoHighLevel Reputation Management tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are taking a look at GoHighLevel's reputation management. So let's get into it. Now before I begin, I just want to say that you need to have an account on GoHighLevel, and since I already have created an account, I'm going to skip that process, but you can sign up using the links in the description below. So make sure you check them out along with the links. If you click on it, you'll also get a discount as well. So make sure you check the link, and once you've signed up, you need to create a account. So you can see I've already created a account over here. This is my account, and once you have created the account, it'll look something like this. If you haven't created an account, you'll have an agency view, so it'll look something like this. On the left hand side, you can see all of your main options. So you need to go ahead and create a account. Since I already have an account, I'll go ahead and log into that one. Then over here, you need to come over here on the left hand side, and you need to come down and click on settings. And in settings, you need to come over here on the left hand side, scroll down, you'll find the integrations option right here at the top. You'll also find the option, but for now we'll go into integrations. You can see right here manage scoring is over there as well. You need to come over here integrations, and you need to sign into your Google accounts. This will also allow you to sign into your Google My Business account. So if you already have that set up, it'll automatically detect it and it'll connect it with its reputation manager, and it'll basically give you all the details from it. So over here, which business do you like to link? We'll click on connect, enable. It'll also make sure that your business shows up on Google Maps and stuff like that. So once it's done, we should be good to go. And here you can see once it's connected, it'll tell you that, you know what, you need to select one of the properties. I think I haven't created it, so we need to go ahead and reconnect it, or disconnect it and connect it again. But once you've connected it, we should be good to go. Then on the left hand side, you have the manage scoring option, and once you've connected it, you need to go back, and then here you can see you have opportunities, you have membership, you have your reputation option over here at the bottom. You click on reputation, and here you should be good to go. You need to connect your Google My Business account. You can see right here, I need to go ahead and do that again. So we'll click over here, click on sign in with Google. I think I'll disconnect this one and connect to another account so that we have one of these options. All right, so now it's connected properly. Now we can just simply go ahead and select one of the properties. All right, and then we just simply select the Google My Business account ID, but it's not popping up over here, but that's fine. Then we just simply go back and then go into the reputation manager over here. Here we'll have a bunch of different options. So here you can see you got all these different options. Here you've got requests. Here you've got reviews, you've got widgets over here, you've got listings, settings, and GBP optimization as well. So we can see right here, we have now connected a Google business. We've connected it, and here we do need to connect the MCC account ID, but I think for that one, I do need to go ahead and create a whole new section, but I don't want to do that because it'll take too much time, but you got the idea, right? Then you can connect more platforms. You can set up review links over here by clicking on that button. It'll take you to this section where you can see you've got all these different options, right? So here you've got settings. Go into settings, and here you can see you've got review AI, where you can use the AI to get reviews. Here you can go ahead and select auto responses or turn it off completely. Here you'll receive all of your reviews, and you can go ahead and review them. You have review link, so configure your review link to connect the feedback from your customers. So you can turn this on, add like a custom link over here if you want to, get reviews. This is the SMS request. Here you can go ahead and set that up by turning this button on and setting all of your SMS buttons over here, and this is the name template over here. You can change it however you want. Then you have email request. You can set that up by turning on this button, and of course it'll have its own email, very similar to the SMS. And then you have the WhatsApp request. Here you can connect your WhatsApp so that all of your messages also received on WhatsApp as well. Then you have your review code, which you can, print out this QR code, and you can create your own one and print them out and put them on the shelves on your shop, so people can go ahead and, just scan them and leave a review from there. And these are the spam reviews if you want. And then we have integrations where we can select all of these integrations and install them. And it's as simple as that. So that's how you can go ahead and access the reputation manager in GoHighLevel and set everything up. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.